Yeah, we're live! Yeah, my green screen is acting up. It's not working properly, I think. Oh wow, this is not correctly. Should be fine for today. My microphone might fall off. Oh man, why am I half invisible? Because there's no light. Oh man, I need lighting. Help. Send me some. Oh, look at that! I might as well switch off the camera, I think. Look at that. I should fix that. Hold on. See if I can. So much flashing light. It's impossible. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna leave it as it is for now. I don't know. We'll see. It seems to be okay now. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, Bill. Yeah, I get to see you be bad at games again. Also, hi. Hi to you too. Man, I don't. You're also seeing me. You're also seeing me being bad at Lord Pyrrhus. All right, hold on. I need to tweet stuff out. I always forget. Not today. Alright, so yeah, there it is. Dragon Ball FighterZ. This is not good. Fix that. Alright, I don't like the thing. Maybe I just should switch off the green screen. I don't like it. Alright, where are you? I'm in Europe. English. Okay, these are the terms. Whether you like it or not, you have to accept. I have to scroll all the way down, really. That's a lot to read. Should we just do a stream reading them? Is there a way to? Okay. And there's more. And there's more. Fighter names. When playing online, each player will be identified with a fighter name. Fighter names can be made using letters, numbers, and underscores. You can change your name at any time from the player info section in the lobby menu. Neshed. I admit, until man, I hate my green screen. Is it all gonna be orange like this? Because the screen is orange right now, and it's reflecting badly on the green screen. It's very bad. Maybe I should just switch off the chroma key. I admit, until just now, I was playing Pokemon Yellow. I'm really bad at it for some reason. Guess what happens if I play it properly with the whole team? Guess that happens if I can't even read. My goodness. But the computer is very far away from me. Alright, so DB Fighter. No, it's not going to be DB Fighter. As if we're going to be uppercase. Can you imagine if it's already been taken? I should be fast before somebody throws me. VloggyBuddy. Buddy. So anyway, you admit you suck now. Hey, true! Yes, connecting with the server and stuff. Downloading latest updates. Okay, I don't care about updates. I don't want to play online. Stop this. Stop this. I don't want to play online. No player data can be found. Create new data. Yes, please. I just beat the first half of the game, I think. I already said I'm on Europe. Come on. Acquiring region information. UK, France. Blah, 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 blah. Let's just stick to UK. You know, I am from UK. I'm sorry. True does a good British accent. Man, I hate my green screen. It went black now, so there's no light on. Should I just switch it off the chroma key? Okay, now it's good. You see, now it's good. Now it's good, kind of. Whenever I get a pop-up and it makes the screen go darker. Okay, this is the FighterZ lobby, which serves as the main menu of the game, as a central hub for all the players. In order to move around the lobby, you'll need a lobby character. You're currently in lobby as Goku, but there are plenty of other characters to choose from. Let's try and get you some more. Lobby characters can be won from Z capsules. There's a special campaign going on right now, so let's have you open up a batch of 10 Z capsules. I don't want to play online! Oh, I got a Zenny. Throw. Do you fight the Sailor Moon balls? Yes. What's going on? What's this? What's all this? Item list. What is going on? In addition to lobby characters, you can also win. This is basically like the loot boxes and stuff. In addition to lobby characters, you can also win new character colors and titles from Z Capitals, among other things. Z Capitals, you're trying to get me interested in this stuff, and I don't care. It's not a good one. Yamcha. What are those stars anyway? I'm gonna go with Goku. Everybody's gonna go with Goku though. Let's go with Gohan. Alright, you've just changed your Kuromi character. If you ever want to change your character, just open up the lobby menu, customize, and go to Oh my goodness, the reading! Next, let's go over the quest stores in the lobby. You can view a list of quests that are currently available, completing the quest. Do I get to play now? Thank you! Nope. You can travel to other lobbies by using the gate by choosing... Let's go. Look, it's a golden Frieza. Kind of. Alright, so... I want the story. Is this the story mode? This is practice. I don't want to practice. I want to play the story. That's all I care about. What's this? Story! Yes! Yes, what do I do? What do I do? Do I speak to this guy? Over here? Begin story! This is what we're here for. We're gonna play a story, okay? We're gonna play a story. I'm not trusting the microphone arm today. I don't know why. Okay. 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 So, begin story. Should I switch off the camera? Well, look at this. Maybe we should. I don't know. Oh, there we go. The warrior arc. And there's stuff as well here. Arc info. What's also this? Art gallery. I like these. It's more than just one story apparently. I like that. The Super Warrior arc. Yeah, it's probably because it's human build. That's why. It happens at my parents' house. Alright, store completion 000. Let's start with this one. New game. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Gameplay recording paused, but I own a capture card. So, okay, I'm gonna shut up now. There's gonna be a lot of cutscenes. I know that for sure. What's this? There we go. Sound settings as if. Let's change it. Music volume. Voice volume. No. What's the options? Ugh, where is it? Where is it? Return to start. No. I'm not listening to this. Hey Dylan, welcome. I'm not listening to this in English, so return to story mode, title screen. I'm sorry. I have to listen to Goku's original voice. So how do I do this? Where's the settings and stuff? Yes. I have to exit the game, I think. I hate it when my green screen goes crazy like this. Maybe I should just switch it off. No face cam. No face cam, Haipu. So, I think, did you know you could complete... I don't care, man. I don't care about anything. So, game settings. Sound and language. There we go. Change voices to English Haipu. There we go. Back. Let me just make sure it's the English. There we go. And let's go back to the game. Look at this guy. He's a Super Saiyajin Goto. Alright, let's do this. Once again, story mode. Begin the story. I'm sorry about that. Sorry, but in order to change the vlog, you got the haircut. Way shorter than usual. Yes, I did! It makes my head look bigger! It's true, it is shorter than usual. But in like 2 weeks, it will be the regular length. We're gonna have to get used to that though. I'm gonna have to shut up again, because it's gonna do the intro again. Intro! It looks like my hair. Yes, because I copied you, actually. And I was like, that's true. Must get all the ladies. I must do the same. I must do the same! Get all the ladies, I mean. Oh, here we go. Hi, it's me, Goku. I cannot do a Goku voice, sorry. I can do a Prince of... I cannot do it now. Shut up, Kakarot!
Oh, good. You're coming around.
Oh, you're coming around.
I didn't expect you to conk out like that. Scared me half to death.
Where am I?
About that. We are at my place, in the yard. Don't you remember? Keep it together, would you?
The anime looks really cute. I like it.
Oh, gosh. You're not kidding, are you? Goku, please be kidding. Did you hit your head? Catch a cold? Tell me you at least know who you are. Why, you're Goku, of course. And this charade's gone on long enough. Here, the evidence. Look in the mirror.
I have hands.
Judging from your reaction, you're not really him, are you? But you're Goku on the outside, that's for sure. Did you get amnesia?
Come on, the English dub is better than the Japanese. Stop that. Don't get me started on that. Don't trigger me.
There you are.
Now what? Who is it? Wait, you're... But how in the... Android 16? Is that you?
Mm-hmm.
Cell destroyed you. How are you operational? Wait, did the Dragon Balls bring you back?
Okay, no problem. Sure. Thank you so much for stopping by, buddy. You have a good time at work.
What in the world could all this mean? I'm going to need some answers. Well, this is the part where you give me the answers. Ugh, remember when Cell smacked you around and I so graciously repaired you?
It was not me you repaired, but another 16.
What?
You who are linked to Goku. Come. There is much to be done. Should you decide to resist, I will force you to comply.
Goku, I don't know what's going on, but you better kick this imposter's bionic butt! Hold the phone. You know how to fight, right? Wrong. This is turning out to be a bad, bad day.
Hey, Phantom, welcome. Nice to see you. How you been?
Well, that body is Goku's. It's bound to be just as hardy. Do not worry. I will utilize less than lethal force. Your termination would be disadvantageous.
Watch out!
At least he knows how to say enough. Oh, I didn't know that, Bill. Interesting.
Goku!
Well then, your strength is congruent with my data, and I need not hold back.
Gameplay recording resumed. They have a tendency of doing this. Yes, it's on PS4. They have a tendency of doing this because it's like anime. Alright, so commencing battle. Okay. They have a tendency of doing that because it's like anime, so they try to block off the story so people can't record it. But I have a capture card. Hey, Red! Commencing loud screaming battle. Yeah!
It's all or nothing.
So what? First battle. You're about to begin your first battle. Begin your first fight. How are you, Red, by the way? You're about to begin your first battle. Before you do, let's go over the various icons and gauges you need to know to understand how the battles works. Next, I need to know this. Health gauge. The health gauge shows how much health your character currently has. The gauge depletes a little whenever you're hit by your opponent's attack. If your fighter loses all of their health, this is like for anyone who has never played a fighting game. Be sure to keep your opponents on the defensive and deplete all their health first. Oh, duh! You've been sleeping for 17 hours, 17 hours? Are you okay, dude? Alright, so key gauge. The key gauge shows how much key your character has. Alright, that's the one over there. Every attack you successfully land on your opponent fills the gauge a little bit. Use the key you've stored up to unleash devastating attacks and really put the pressure on your enemy. Time remaining up there. Okay, what's that? The icon. This icon lets you know whether you can use a sparking blast, which temporarily powers up. I'm gonna burp. Hold on. Sorry, but you didn't hear that. Like, first of all, as always, are you wearing pants? Actually, I am wearing pants today because I was too lazy to take them off. I am wearing pants. You can learn more about the ins and outs of Sparking Blast as you continue playing through the game. But first, let me take a selfie. No. First, you need to master some basic actions. What else? The main event. Enough words. It's time to let your fist do the talking. Follow the on-screen advice and take hold of your fighter.
You got this. Come on.
Alright, so
let's go.
closing the gap. 1, 2. What's this? I'm pushing back and forth, it's not working. Keep in mind the control will be reversed if you're facing left. I understand that. Alright, so I just forward, forward and back, that's it. So now, jumping. Alright, so jumping.
Good training session. One more time.
Land 2 light attacks. 2 light attacks. It's just a square.
That's how it's done.
So, successful from a standing medium attack and crouching medium attack. Alright, so.
Man, you nailed it.
Send your ball flying with a heavy attack.
Man, I'm getting pumped.
Finish by defeating the enemy. You got this, buddy. Nice. I'm so good at this game. I perfected him. I am so good at this game. Look, me and Goku are wearing the same clothes. Look at this. What are the odds? I'm actually wearing a Goku shirt from underneath. Let me show you. See Goku? I'm a Dragon Ball geek. Alright, next. KO bonus. Story cleared. Alright, next. You see, it records the game, it pauses the gameplay recording because you're not supposed to see this, guys. You're getting exclusive footage only at VloggyBuddy. I don't like this.
Though but moments after the link, your strength has already matured.
Hold on, because I'm reading chat. I mean, I think it's the same thing. I don't know.
Huh?
Salutations, Bulma. What exotic cuisines have you prepared for us today?
Well, whatever it might possibly be.
Hey, Victor Leo, welcome. Awesome. I'm glad to hear that, Leo.
Oh, who's the bruiser? He's certainly not human.
I love that they got all the voice actors to play the voices for this game. I love that. That's such commitment.
Threat detected. Recommended course of action, abort. Goku, just know this. I will return.
So, he's gone? Just like that?
And I like the... Let me just keep watching, and I'll talk.
Just like that, huh? Hey, you inside Goku. The jig is up. It's not possible to fool a god.
So, you mean to say he's not Goku after all?
My. This is intriguing. It is Goku, physically speaking, but his power is awfully weak. What's left over has someone else's power. If I were to put it simply, there is another person in his body.
No way! He's possessed? You hear me in there, you squatter? Get out, now! Goku's got his work cut out. He doesn't need to be playing host to you.
Bulma, please mind your temper. You see, this predicament isn't our poor friend's doing. You in there, can you hear me? Can you? Goku is in there somewhere. Mind getting him for us?
Bulma's always cringy, though. Bulma was always cringy, Bill, so that's part of who she is.
Sleeping, of course, but since you share the same body, you should be able to wake him.
Now we're gonna get in touch with Goku.
Who are you? And where am I? That's odd. I can't move a muscle. Hey, what the heck is going on? Yo, do you know anything? It'd be real great if you could fill me in. What? Hold on! You're in control of my body?
This was a bit cringy as well. But I have a feeling that Android 16 had no harm intended. I don't know. I don't think he intended any harm. I don't know. I could be wrong.
Let me ask you, Whis. Do these waves appear to be acting strangely?
So you felt them too, Lord Beerus. Indeed, they seem to be man-made.
Waves? What waves?
Now there, you're telling me you can't feel that? How dense are you?
As dense as any other human. How rude are you?
Then you rang us up for another reason, I take it. Because I thought you were whining and dining us for info about these waves.
Wait a sec. That's right. I totally forgot. The world is in absolute peril. First, Goku clones start popping up all around the world, making a mess. And if that wasn't enough, Frieza and Cell are back. It's utter chaos, I tell you.
Oh?
Oh, how about, oh no, the Earth is doomed? But now that you're here, you can thrash him for us.
It really is none of my business.
Typical Beerus.
Please go and get those tasty tidbits you prepared earlier.
Oh, great. We're on our own.
I must say, though, these waves do elicit some concern. What's this? Goku's energy just got a tad stronger. It seems our new friend was able to get in touch with Goku. Hello? Goku? Are you able to move in there yet?
It's the funniest thing. I want to wake up, mostly because I'm super starving, but I just can't seem to do it. There's no exit here either. And smashing my way out doesn't seem to be an option. Man, this is super weird. Am I dreaming or something?
I like Whis.
Since there's no response from Goku, it's safe to assume he can't move.
Huh? Wait, Whis, you can't hear me either? Hello? But I can hear Whis just fine. Man, I'm in a bit of a pickle, aren't I?
Pickles, I'm hungry.
Perhaps these bothersome waves have something to do with
Bill
Goku's
knows.
current condition. I would surmise they are suppressing his power, forcing our Saiyan friend's consciousness into a state of hibernation. It's the only explanation.
V4. Welcome, V4. Nice to see you. Hello. Hello, lady.
Then other fighters with strong energy are likely experiencing the same results.
But how are you two able to bicker about food unaffected?
Please, we're gods. To us, these kinds of waves are completely harmless.
Lucky me.
We need to come up with a solution, or Goku will be out to lunch indefinitely.
Then we better come up with one fast. Hold
Food
on.
is the answer to everything. For Goku, for
The
sure.
rest of the gang went out to scope the damage across the world. But if these waves affect the strong, then I guess that means...
Cut makes me look younger. Does it? Does it?
They got paralyzed along the way.
I gotta look younger now. Well, thank you, V4.
Or got body snatched like Goku did over here.
Oh, man!
It's good that I actually decide whether the dialogue continues or not by pressing X every single time. That's good because I can actually look at chat and then press X and listen to what they're saying again. So I'm not looking at chat and the dialogue is going away. You know what I mean?
What are we gonna do? If everyone's knocked out, this is our greatest
The anime looks
crisis
fantastic,
yet.
huh? I love it. It looks just like Dragon Ball Super.
Stopping those waves is our only chance at correcting this matter.
Babyface.
Bulma, might you have an idea as to what's causing them?
That's a toughie. But wait!
Oh, did you finally remember something?
Yeah. Why did 16 show up earlier? He was also talking about someone being...
Nikki! Hello, there she is! Nice to see you. How are you? Playing some Dragon Ball FighterZ today. I just got it. It still has that... I love when it has that brand new game smell. Oh, I love it. I love it. Hold on, I just moved the green screen with my back. Alright, let's keep playing.
I think there's a connection here. There's gotta be.
Looks better than the anime? Yeah, I think so too. I keep missing your streams, Nikki.
It's a lead. You
I
might
miss
as
your
well
PC
follow it
streams though.
and see where it leads you.
Right. Let's get to the bottom of this. Come on, guys. The rest of our crew needs to be saved as well. Can't do it alone, though. I'll need some muscle.
She's expecting them to join her as muscle. It's nice to have gods on your side, but...
Just to reiterate, we're not helping, understand?
I knew it.
Aw, don't be so cold. I'll prepare a meal so good it'll blow your godly taste buds
Let's see what
away.
they have to say to that.
Did I not make myself clear? We're not lifting a finger, lady.
Typical beers.
If you need help, you might get a better response by asking the soul inside Goku.
Huh?
He's got control of Goku's body, right? Well, then he can do the fighting for you.
There's no other choice, is there? Plus, you probably need to get back to your own body anyway. Well, then it's settled. Welcome aboard.
There we go. When the screen goes black, there's no more light on me and my green screen, so that's why I start seeing the green screen. Womp womp. Sadly, plot. Armor is bigger than... Really? Okay, so this is a map of the Dragon Ball world. Take control of the character you've linked with and bring an end to the chaos that's gripping the land. Move into near space on the map, use one of your last turns. If you run out of turns, the game's over, so plan each of your moves wisely. What's going on? This is a boss icon. Defeat this Pace's boss to advance the story. Make sure you defeat the boss character before you're out of remaining turns. Start. So I've been here already, right? That's where I am. Let's go ahead and attack the boss then. I'm gonna go here. Select this pit. What's gonna happen? I moved the space, so now what? Edit team. Yeah, that's it. Like Goku. And then what? And confirm. What is this? Alright, so I chose Goku. Yeah? Alright, so now what? Back. Deselected. I did! What the heck? Okay, no character selected. I got Goku. Then what? Back. No link events available. What is going on? I'm not even getting the game right now. No link events. What is this? So now what? Confirm. Not even working. So I go here. Oh, every time I do this, I'm wasting a turn. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. Options. Return to map. I'm wasting turns. Pressing X to confirm. Nothing's happening. Confirm. Alright, so I just go like this. Move on to enemy space to start battle with them. Battles grant XP, which powers you up and increase your link level. Confirm. What is going on? Yes. So I'm going to the boss right away. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I honestly don't. We'll see. There's gonna be a cutscene.
He ought to be in this area somewhere.
There's a clone.
Ah, there he is! Just as I thought he would be. I thought I sensed a power similar to mine, and it looks like I was right. Hello, me?
Hello, me?
What do you think? Looks just like me, huh? Even has, my hair. I don't really know what's going on myself, but I think this is what they call a clone. I hear there's a bunch more of these clone guys causing trouble all over the place. That's not good. And it's not just their looks that are the same. They use the same moves as the not-clones, too! This is the first time I've ever gone up against one myself. Feels kind of weird, you know what I mean? Guess I won't know if I can beat him until I fight him. Actually, I just had a thought. This might be some good training for me, since he uses all the same moves and everything. At any rate, let's take care of this guy. What do you say? Sound fun?
No, I love how much he loves fighting. We miss you on the PC as well, Nikki. I have my Minecraft server right now, nobody's in it. Oh man, I miss Minecrafting.
The battle's about to start. Good luck. Get ready.
Let's go! Yeah, hold on, that's another training.
Nice. Okay, on to the next one. You got the hang of this quick. I'm impressed.
Now,
One more
R2.
time. Gotta say, you're a natural. One more time.
Did I not do it right? Let's try again. I think I need to keep going. There we go.
You nailed it.
There we go. You heard empty server, yes. But Red, you said you had your own server. I mean, I told you were welcome to join, but that's why I never bothered asking you again, because you said you had your own server. That is why. You're welcome to join. I trust you, Red. I trust you. We can play. We can play. I miss playing. Chapter 3 already? Quick! Save Krillin! Shh, cutscene, cutscene. Ah, she's after 16, is she?
Welcome back. I bet fighting another guy with Goku's face surprised you. There are loads of those clones all over the place now.
Oh, sorry to hear it. My goodness, that sounds like a nightmare.
Who knows when another one will attack? You'd better stay alert. You hear me, soul inside Goku? Oh, before I forget, there's some good news for the both of you. I managed to analyze those mysterious waves and mod this plane to neutralize them. If everything goes according to plan, we should be able to free Goku's consciousness. In other words, the old Goku should be back soon. Well, we've got nothing
There we go.
to lose.
Time to push the button. That sound is from the Destructo disc. From Krillin. Nope, nothing happened.
Hey,
Okay, it worked.
I'm back in the outside world. Awesome.
All right, it worked.
Wait, something's not right. My body, it feels all heavy and weak. I knew it. I'm as weak as a kitten. I won't be fighting like this, that's for sure.
Man!
The wave neutralizer still has some kinks. I guess it'll be a while until we can restore your strength.
Or maybe we could skip all that and use the Dragon Balls to fix this whole mess. You can do that, right, Bulma? You can do anything.
No can do. The Dragon Balls are stone, remember? They might as well be bowling balls.
Oh, right. I totally forgot about that.
You forgot, huh? I guess you really are Goku. Anyway, soul inside Goku, were you listening? I trust you got all that. Until we can restore the real Goku's power, we're going to need you on battle duty. Okay, time for us to go find 16 and save our friends!
Hey, I feel something. It's faint, but is that someone's power? Yeah, it is. I'm sure of it. Krillin! Come on! We gotta save him!
Krillin! Let's go. Alright, there's plenty of bosses now around, okay. Defeating enemies on the map might give you a skill or a KO bonus. Up to 3 skills can be equipped at once, all of which power up the entire team of fighters. KO bonuses increase the amount of XP, Zenny and health. You earn upon defeating an opponent's skill, can be equipped and equipped by selecting the other team from blah 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 blah. Okay. Map 3, start. Alright, so where do I go? So where am I right now? I'm here. There's an evil Yamcha here. There's an evil Piccolo. Let's start with Yamcha because... I have 20 moves, we can do this. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Is it me or is the blue screen? The thing is, Red, I don't think you were here when I said it, but the thing is, I don't have a decent light, so I'm relying on the light coming out of the TV. So the light keeps changing. Now the screen went black, so literally nothing. But now when the screen goes bright again, more or less.
Are you ready?
Again, this is just a normal backstep. Okay.
You really blew me away there. Let's keep going. You've taken to this like a duck to water. Okay, on to the next one. Color me surprised. Okay, on to the next one. That's how it's done.
Oh wow, let's see. I didn't even do that properly.
Over here.
Did that work? It doesn't look like it did. Let's try again. Okay, I don't think it worked though. Destructive finish! Must have done some magic. You see now, because the screen is bright, it works. Because I'm relying on the light from the... I need to buy some good lighting, I don't know. We need to make that work. I cannot change team though, right? Because I don't have any characters with me right now, so... How do you get Tien? So, edit team. Everybody's locked, right? Yeah, so there's no point in that. I'm gonna fight on the ring.
Get ready for a Dragon Ball Rumble.
Clone Tien.
Get ready. Let's go. Give it your best shot. Good training session. One more time.
Okay.
Good training session. Let's keep going.
Whoa.
Not done yet.
Come on. Oh, come on. Try again.
Not done yet.
Okay, this is not easy.
I like your style. Try this one next.
Dragon Rush.
Here it comes. Not bad.
Nice.
Last one. Better finish strong.
While jumping. Okay.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. That's how it's
Nice. Alright. Can't wait to do that. In an actual battle, but defeating the enemy. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, I destroyed the mountain. Why not attach plain Christmas lights around your monitor TV? That's why I can... Oh, yeah, it's a good idea. That's a good idea. No, just buy an actual, you know, spotlight thingy with LEDs and stuff and it will work just fine. Let's go. Now then, let's go get. There's another Tien over there, but I'm not gonna bother. Let's go here. Let's go here. Yes.
Brace yourself for the coming battle! It's all or nothing! Let's go! You're strong enough to handle this. You got the hang of this quick! I'm impressed! One more time! Good job! Try this one next! That's all you got? Good training session! One more time! You got the hang of this quick! I'm impressed! You've come this far, so I'm sure you'll be fine.
I'm not doing this thing. Alright, there we go.
You've taken to this like a duck to water!
Time to defeat the enemy. Can I go up one level? Come on. Ooh, so close. Ooh, two of them.
It's time to face your opponent! It's all or
It's another
nothing.
training session, is it?
Let's go!
Doesn't look like it now. Uh oh, I need to be careful. I thought it was gonna be a training session. Alright, let's do this. Get the other one. That was epic! I have no idea how I did that. I went up one level, did I? Didn't look like it though. Now let's go get Krillin. Krillin! So the enemy is Krillin and I have to rescue Krillin. Interesting. I don't like this thing with the turns and the moves. Pfft. It is stupid, if I do say so myself. Alright, there's gonna be a scene. There's Krillin.
It's Krillin! We found him! Is that a clone? No! It's going after Krillin! I've got to save him!
Oh wow. He was gonna destroy the original.
This should be a great fight!
It's a useless character. Well, I mean, it's not the most useless character. I think Yamcha is the most useless. Mr. Satan. Is it Mr. Satan or Hercule? Because in the Cartoon Network version, he used to be called Hercule.
Ready?
Oh, release a
Show me how
Kamehameha.
strong you are!
Alright. Charge your key.
Excellent work! Try this one
Perform the
next.
power up special.
Good training session.
I need to practice my Kamehameha though.
Try this one next.
Anything below Piccolo is useless. Now, I want to consume one key gauge, perform super attack. Alright, so that's. Is that it? It doesn't look like it though. It's not working. It's not what I'm looking for. Oh, let me just change sides. Try again. No. No! Stop getting close to my face! I keep doing this move. Yeah, I think Tien is good. He keeps doing this move. This is not what I'm looking for.
You've come this far, so I'm sure you'll be
Now
fine.
perform a meteor. So that's. That's not what I was looking for, but. Go back, go back. Alright, never mind. Alright, there we go. My goodness, he keeps getting close and I keep performing this attack. This is not the attack I'm looking for. Go away, stand back. This is it.
Man, you nailed it. This is the ultimate form.
I think that's the move I had to do. Yeah, it is, Bill. It really is. Because I'm confused whether it's easier to perform it with the analog or with the buttons over there. I'm like, pfft. Anyway. Krillin is now playable. He's gonna join my team. Okay, cutscene. We need a Sanzu bean. Oh, there we go.
Oh, hey there, Goku. Huh? Krillin, you finally come round. I thought you were a goner.
Say, where are we? Is this Bulma's airplane? Last thing I remember is investigating the origin of the clones. But then I got all dizzy. Let's see. Nah, it's no good. I can't recall anything after that. So did you save me, Goku?
Yeah.
Thanks, Goku. You never let me down.
Bill. I tried doing that, but it didn't work. Red.
No need to thank me, it's nothing. After all, whenever I'm in a pinch, who's the guy who's always there to throw me
Yep.
a sensu bean?
Well, sometimes I think I'd rather be the one eating them, though. So, who did this to me? I can't remember a thing.
A lot's gone on, Krillin, and not much of it good. Now, where to begin?
I wonder if Wesker's gonna get this game. I asked him if he's gonna get it, and he just liked my
I told you
my
a lot
question. He
happened.
didn't really answer. If he's getting it, it would be awesome to fight him.
Yeah, I never would have imagined. Look, I'm glad Android 16 is alive, but I just
I don't
wish
think
he
he is
wasn't
the
our
enemy.
enemy.
They just think he is. I don't think he's the enemy.
Anyway, I've decided. I want to help out, and I kind of want to find out what 16 was really up to. So I'm going to fight too, if that's okay with you, Goku.
Sure, fine by me.
You forgetting something? Haven't you guys, like, lost your power?
Oh yeah, I guess it must have slipped my mind.
Red.
I imagine a little more training might restore some of my power, but I would still be in no state to fight by myself.
Huh? Wait a minute. So does this mean I can't fight either?
I might just have an idea, but we need that soul inside Goku to agree. What do you say? Do you think you can move from Goku over to Krillin?
What? So whatever's inside Goku is gonna link with me?
Krillin! Both of you, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Okay, now it's your turn. Try moving to Krillin.
Whoa! So are you, like, out of my body now? There's a stranger inside my body!
Giggity.
It worked! You changed who you're linked with! Now everybody can fight!
So, does that mean when Krillin's out there fighting, I have to just wait on the sidelines and not do anything?
If only one link can exist at a time, then I guess so.
I know, right, Bill?
But if we can get more people to join us, it'll relieve some of the strain on Goku.
Well, we can't just rely on Goku all the time. Now, can we?
I guess I don't mind. It's not like I was really doing the fighting myself anyway. I'll just have to make do with some image training. That is until I get the chance to fight again.
Only you would think of that, Goku. Anyway, I guess we'll all have to work together from now on.
When you have subtitles but you can't see them. Why? This is annoying. The gameplay recorded, gameplay resumed, this and that. It's not just Goku and other fighters that have levels, enemies have them too, and their link levels also increase after each turn. But the silver lining is that defeating these powered up enemies nets you more XP, and depending on the map you're on, a fearsome foe may emerge from the shadows. Okay. You save Krillin, add this character to your team via Edit Team. Accessible from the map screen in the pause menu. Alright, so I do this, right? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Yay! Krillin is in my team now. Now then, we need to go. There's another Goku over here. Do I know the level? He's level 2. There's 2 of them actually. What about here? There's 2 level 2s as well. What about me? Am I level? What level am I? Both level 1s. Alright, so I guess we're gonna have to fight them. Well, my buddy. Oh! That's true! That's true! My buddy's blocking the subtitles. I'm like, why can't he read? It's me! What can I do? The thing is, because of this, I can only... Should I go this side? Let's see. Hold on, edit scene. Should I go on this side? Like this? Is it easier? But this looks like it's hanging out of nothing now. It won't come out of the side. You see, this is coming out of nothing. Would you... I don't know. Do you prefer that? I don't know. It's gonna be annoying seeing this part over here. Like, till this much. Could we put Vloggy over Goku? Upper left? Upper left. But then it's gonna look like I'm floating. We can try that. Then it looks like I'm floating, kind of. Should I leave it like that? It's easier for you, but you cannot see the 20. Look, the 20. Guess the number, guys. It's 20. Shall I leave it up here? Do you think it's better over here? I can leave it up there. And look at the shadow. I'm casting the shadow over the green screen. Go into the middle. Shut up. I'm gonna leave it up here. I'm gonna leave it up here. Because you guys want to read the subtitles, right? I guess. I went all the way up here now. Alright, so I'm gonna attack. How many of... There's 2 Goku. There's a Trunks, and time to fight the Trunks, I guess. Yes. Now I think I need to know how to switch characters.
Brace yourself for the coming battle.
I'll do that. Now it looks like I'm flying, like kind of. I don't know. I don't care. Is it I don't know or I don't care? Let's both. Alright, so use an assist, a Z assist, L1. Alright, so that's what happens. Hold L1 just in case, alright? Aha! That's how you switch characters. Now perform a quick Z change. Nice. Okay.
Last
So,
one.
force
Better finish strong.
force your opponent to switch L1 during Dragon Rush. Which one is the Dragon Rush? I forgot. Press O after sex with the enemy, Dragon Rush with your R1. Alright, so that and then. Alright, okay. Let's try this. Aha! Alright, alright. So I can make him switch. Finish by defeating the enemy. Let's go! Trying to perform the... Alright, whatever. He's trying to perform the... Oh, there's the other guy, I forgot. This is it. But I failed it. God dang it. Alright, let's go.
Let's do this! I'm not through with you yet!
Never seen someone miss so much, but I'm still practicing my moves, that's all. That's why, that's why. That is why. Do I XP? Yes, level up! Nice-oo. Nice-oo. That's what. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys something. It's not here actually, never mind. Never mind. But I got Resident Evil Revelations for the 3DS. I'm gonna be streaming that for sure. So now we go back here and then back here. Guys, we're at 18 now. The guy next door is making some works.
Yep, this is what I was expecting from my clone. It's seriously like looking into a mirror. If other people saw this thing and didn't know any better, they'd definitely think it was me. That makes me wonder. Do you think maybe 18 can tell the difference between me and my clone?
For starters, his eyes are red, so I don't know.
I think I'd be really upset if she couldn't. She probably could. I think. What am I talking about? This isn't the time for stuff like that. Lose sight of this guy now. I'm in real trouble. My days as a police officer would be over if it committed any crimes looking like me, which means I better get rid of this guy before bad things start happening.
Alright, let's go.
This should be a great fight!
I hate this notification coming back and forth, saying, you know what I mean. Maybe I could remove it. I don't know. More tutorial, or we can just go ahead and fight. Yeah.
Let's go! Okay, time to train. Let's do this! That's how it's done. Keep trying. Gotta say, you're a natural. One more time.
Why is it not working?
Don't take things for granted with you around. Last one.
So Dragon Rush is
Finish
R1.
strong.
Right.
Here goes. Color me surprised. Saw that one. Like that. Like that. Like that.
What, that's a Senzu beam?
Like that. Like that. Like that.
Is he throwing rocks at him? Come on, do the Destructo Disc or something.
I'm not through with you yet. I'm not through with you yet. I'm not through with you.
Oh yeah, that's right, he cannot throw auras right now. Because he's possessed or something. That's why he's throwing rocks. Solar Flare! Oh, he's throwing blasts. Oh, he's throwing rocks. I don't know. Destructo Disc. There we go. Nice. Throwing rocks like Regirock. I own them this time. Come on. Come on. I'm learning my moves, okay? I'm learning my moves. I'm sorry, once I rescue more characters, there's no way I'm gonna hang out with Krillin and Yamcha. Alright, I want Saiyans, so it's gonna be Goku, Vegeta, and adult Gohan. I don't care what people say about adult Gohan, I like adult Gohan, okay? I'm gonna stick with I love adult Gohan. So, let's see. Take care of. Is there somebody that needs to be rescued over there? Yeah, Yamcha. I don't want Yamcha and the Fiend though. I'd rather be just two characters than having. Oh well, we'll see. Yes, let's go. More cutscene.
Whoa! We found Yamcha! He seems to be okay.
Goku. Krillin. Did you come to rescue me?
Yamcha! You weren't even knocked out!
Yeah, well... I can speak, but only just barely.
Goku found me. I was out cold. You're actually in pretty good shape. Imagine that.
You don't say. What happened to me anyway? Feels like I got hit by a truck.
Where to begin?
Zombie Yamcha.
Crap! Another clone's appeared!
Another clone appeared.
Krillin, save it for later. Let's deal with this guy first.
That was pointless. The clone just said nothing. Just like what Red says in Pokemon Silver. Oh, by the way, guys, Bill, Red, are you guys getting Pokemon Crystal? I want, but I don't at the same time. I should get it. It's a great game. Should I? Should I stream it? Alright, no more tutorial, please. Let's just fight. Yes. Let's go! Anybody else? Another Goku, is it? Yep.
through with you yet! Yes! Yeah! Here goes! Here goes! Some more!
This is Krillin fighting a sailor, by the way.
Rats! Time to show you what I can.
And he still missed?
Here goes! Got some more! Like that! Like that! Yes! Here goes! Got some more! Wonderful!
Why is she not dying?
Here goes! Time to
There we
show
go.
you what I can.
I just want to remake of Diamond Pearl. I don't think we're gonna get it, but I think we might get it on the eShop. I don't know. We might get that. But then again, even if we did, should I buy it? I don't think I should. No, I won't buy it. No, I won't buy it. I have the hard copies. I'm not gonna buy that. And I can stream them from my 3DS, so, you know. My phone is... My phone is blowing up. That's my Pokemon Diamond ages ago. No! Yamcha's not playable. I don't care. I'm not even gonna add Yamcha to the team. I don't think anybody is gonna add Yamcha to the team. Okay, more cutscene.
At least I can move a bit more freely now. Anyway, I think I get the picture. So it was those waves from that thing Bulma made that paralyzed me all of a sudden, huh? I don't exactly like having my power sealed, but I guess our enemies are in the same boat. But I'm sure you'll work it out.
No, Yamcha, you're as much a part of this as we are. In fact, we really need more good fighters to join us.
Seriously?
You should get a cheap 3DS. You'll find a pre-owned one or something. You will. Or a 2DS at least. It doesn't need to be a 3DS. Get a 2DS. That's what I did. Look. That's what I... Well, hold on. Where's the camera? That's what I... Oh, look, you can see the game through the 3DS. Well, yeah, that's what you can do. 2DS. I call it 3DS. Stupid. I'm stupid.
Yeah, Yamcha. So what do you say? You feel like fighting side by side with us again?
Well, I'm very weak. I don't think I can fight next to you guys.
I don't know. I kind of retired a while back. My martial arts skills are going to be kind of rusty. Are you sure you even want me to fight?
Huh? Of course we do, Yamcha. I mean, you're already wearing your gi.
Hold on, guys. Hold on a sec, guys. I need to send a text real quick. Hold on. Bear with me. Won't be long. Come on. Give me a sec, you guys. Give me a sec. I'm gonna do something real quick. Come on. What the heck am I doing? What? Hold on. Oh, are you kidding me right now? I'm sorry, guys. Bear with me. This is not working out. Why is this not working? There we go. Alright. Alright, that's it. Let's go back.
Of course we want you to!
See? Even Krillin's gonna be fighting. So the more the merrier.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Even, huh? You really got away with words, Goku. Ellie. Ellie saved.
I'm not gonna add Yamcha to the team. I'm just gonna be 2 people still. So now, 15 moves left, so I'm gonna go here.
Get ready for a Dragon Ball Rumble! Ready? Let's go! Let's give it a go!
Oh my goodness, I was looking at my phone. All I have to do.
You got the hang of this quick. I'm impressed. Let's keep going. Man, I'm getting pumped. Let's keep going.
Come on, attack. What's he doing, man? Alright, that's it. Crap! Now you attack. Come on.
Not done yet.
Come on, attack. Come on. Come on.
Not done yet.
I had enough. I had enough.
You like that?
I had enough playing around.
Your turn. You like that?
That's it. I've had enough. I don't want to do the tutorial anymore. I'm done with this. Red. So I just have to attack. So when there's a boss over here, should I just go? Yeah, let's just go rescue Tien. I'd rather have Tien on the team actually. Let's go. More cutscene. Hey, Inferno! Oh. Oh, what's his name? I forgot his name. Can anybody tell me his name? Chaozu. Chaozu, so cute. Chaozu, he's like his boyfriend or something. Uh-oh. No, 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 don't kill Chaozu! So cute. How are you, Inferno? Less than 20 minutes and you're still home running around in your underwear? Probably.
Stop! Do you mind if we join you?
Goku? What are you guys doing here?
Chaozu, you really held your own out there. You can leave this to the rest of us.
Okay, thanks guys!
Over here, clone! We're your opponents now!
How is it the clones are defeating everyone? Except us, apparently. Later, buddy. Later, later. It's better take long because I'm following this from work. Yeah. I'm gonna be here for a while. Okay, please don't make me. No more. Yes. Okay, good. Where's the other one? You know what? Krillin requires a Krillin. Let's do this. Come on.
Here goes. Like that, but I'm not through with you yet. Here goes. Here goes.
Stop picking the heroes. Come on, here we go. There we go. Destructo Disc! So it's gonna be the same crystal. I don't know. No, it's gonna be the original one. Yeah, it's the same crystal, but the original one. You know, it's just a port. That's what they're calling these days. The kids these days, they're calling them ports. More cutscene. You guys are annoying me right now.
Tien!
Airplane mode. Too much.
Tien! Thank goodness! I'm so glad you're alive!
Chaozu, is that you? What happened to me?
I loved Krillin's Destructo Disc.
Everyone
It's one of the coolest moves ever.
us.
What do you mean? What's going on?
Bill.
I can explain if you really want, but it's a little complicated.
So, those peculiar waves are behind it all. What a mess. If it's alright with you.
Yeah, I'd rather have
fight
Tien
too.
on my team.
You're gonna fight? Tien, are you sure that's a good idea? Oh no! Can you even move okay?
I appreciate your concern, Chaozu, but I'm fine. If I don't fight at times like these, then what am I training for?
Tien!
Chaozu, I want you to...
I wanna fight too! I'm not scared! I wanna help you,
Chaozu is
Tien!
adorable and so loyal. I love it.
Chaozu,
I can do it! We always train together! I know I can
I think
beat
Chaozu
you.
is psychic, if I'm not mistaken.
very well. Then we fight together. Just promise never to leave my side. You got that?
Promise!
Telekinetic, yeah. Isn't it like a psychic power anyway? I don't know. Alright, so what do we... I got Tien now, so I can edit my team and add Tien. Let's add Tien. But only temporarily until... Is you level 2? How does this work? Ah, he was already level 2, that's what, that's it. Goku's almost level 3. What are the skills? I don't care about the skills, to be honest with you. Partial drain. Recovers a portion of the damage done to the enemy as health. Well, I don't know. Hey! Hey, RET! Oh, you changed your username! Oh, that means a lot. That means a lot, RET. Can I still call you Resident Evil Talk, or is it like, no, no. Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you, man. How you been? Oh, man. But I'm gonna be honest with you. There we go. Vloggy got triggered again. Yeah, I'm annoyed as you are. And I have decided that I will no longer acknowledge Resident Evil 2 Remake's existence anymore. Like, I'm not gonna acknowledge the announcement anymore. I'm not gonna talk about it anymore, except for now. And now. I was gonna tweet saying that, but like, no, this would be... I am so annoyed. And not at the fact that there was no RE2 remake, not that, honestly, but please acknowledge that the game is 20 years old. Acknowledge that. It's not like we're saying it's 19 or 18 or 7 years old. You know, it's only 20 years old, you know? Nope, they didn't say anything. Nothing. come on, just acknowledge it. You pissed off the fans just by not acknowledging. And then they went on saying, happy first anniversary for RE7. Are you kidding me? Are you guys kidding me? I got triggered. Oh man. Did you? Oh man, why? He shouldn't have. But no, he shouldn't have. No, I disagree with your choice. I disagree, but I will still have your back. If that makes sense. Let's continue fighting. So there's cell here? The space is too far. What? Where am I then? Ah, because I'm over here, okay. What's going on over here? What's this? What happened here? Did something happen over there? I have 12 moves, so I can just do this then. I'm not sure what happened here. Oh, there's two level 4s? Ooh, we can do this. We can do this. Alright, yeah, I kept tagging you and stuff. But come on, when you get tagged, people notice you. That's what I think. When you get tagged, people notice you, and potential followers and potential more viewers on your YouTube channel. But it depends. I mean, if it gets annoying for you, I understand. But I leave it, you know, just ignore it. What's going on here?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, da 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 da. Ooh, nice. I forgot that they're strong, these guys. I need to be careful. I need to bring my A game now. Did I miss? Go Super Saiyan 3. I don't know how, but I'm gonna have to do it. Alright, there we go. One is down. Where's the other one? You know what? Time to switch as well.
Let's do this. I'm not through you yet. Like that. I'm not through you yet. This.
You're just the Yamcha anyway. You're just the Yamcha clone. It's not like you're a Vegeta or something, so... Oh. I ran out of power. That's what happened.
Like that. Here goes. Got some more. Like that. Here goes.
Every time looking. Yes, story of my life. Story of my life. I value my sanity over. Oh man. Oh, by the way, RE Talk. Oh man, I downloaded a fan-made RE2 remake. I need to play it. I need to stream it. It looks really good. But I don't know how stable it is, but I found something. I want to stream it. I need to find time. But yeah, that's why my streams have been a bit iffy lately. Yeah, I've been saying that on his videos. I've been posting comments like that on his videos. Like, let's hack Rod Lima. I honestly expected to get banned or something like that, but he doesn't understand good English. So he probably has no idea what I'm saying. I don't know. But yeah, somebody needs to hack Rod Lima. Somebody needs to do that. And, oh man, come on, I will commission somebody to hack him. That's how much I want it. But no, yeah, I did get hold of a good... It looks good. We'll see. I haven't tried it yet. I will stream it. My streams have been a little iffy lately because a few things have changed in my life and I wasn't able to keep up my streaming schedule, but everything's falling into place now, so it should be okay. Plus, as I said on my Discord, I was a bit hesitant on going on facecam with a big hairdo. I don't have time. I have no time. To get into programming. There was a time I was into making Pokemon hack ROMs back in the day, and I made my own Pokemon hack ROM games. That's how I started my YouTube channels. I used to show them off, and I grew by like 1,000 subscribers just showing off these Pokemon hack ROMs. But it wasn't my thing anymore. And through that Pokemon Hack ROM community, I've got to know some awesome YouTubers. One of them became really big, and she started off just like me, showing hack ROMs, and she went really big. I think she also has a verified checkmark next to her name. Let's start a game company. I don't have time for that. I wish I could. You know how many ex-girlfriends I had saying I should start programming and into video games and all this stuff. You know how many people told me that, but I don't have the time. I dare to play the Crystal Calzo. Never heard of it. And I had a YouTube channel dedicated for hack ROMs, and I don't know what Crystal Calzo is, but it's true, huh? It's true. Nowadays this channel is called VloggyBuddy too, because I renamed it. But they're still there, the games I used to make. Alright, let's go. I'll give 15 minutes before you start crying. What's going on here? Shh, cutscene.
Nice! I think you're getting the hang of it. Hey! You there, my body! You're a pretty darn good fighter, you know that?
I hope 18 and Marin are okay. They're back at Master Roshi's place. With this many baddies around, it could spell trouble.
I wouldn't worry. I mean, 18's stronger than you, right?
Yeah, that may be true, but you don't have to put it so bluntly.
Oh yeah, sorry.
He sensed something.
Hey, Krillin. There's some kind of huge power out there. Feel it?
Yeah, I did. It's different. It's not like the clones we've been fighting. I wonder, is it?
It is so.
Could be. The energy is similar to Cell's, yes, but it feels a bit smaller, doesn't it? That's odd. We can sense Cell's energy, but not the person he's fighting with.
An opponent with no energy?
New sponsor! Oh man, seriously? Thank you so much, Aritok. Thank you so much. Oh man. We should be getting
We have a new sponsor, or as Vloggy would say, sponsor hype you.
Did you hear that voice? Did you hear that? Did you guys hear that? Oh, yeah, I did get in touch with the guy who does the honest trailers. I told him, do you mind recording a few lines for me for my YouTube channel? He's like, yeah, I'd be glad to do that. Yeah, surprise. I think you are the first one to actually make use of my new notifications. Sponsor hype you. Yeah, it is the honest trailer guy. Oh man. That made my day. Thank you so much, Harry Talk. Thank you so much. Oh man. Yeah. Alright, let's go. An opponent with no energy? Hey! You think maybe Cell's fighting 16?
Wait! I've got it! He's an android! You can't sense the energy of an android!
We might be able to find a clue or two. I say we check it out.
Hold on, because my pointer's right in front of the usernames. Brett E, welcome. How am I liking Turbo Fighter Z? I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying. If there was one complaint, hey, Byshock, welcome. If there was only one complaint, is how you move your character over the map. It's like you have 20 moves to move your character over the map. Like, why? Why is that? Can we just go through the story and fight the characters in order and that's it? That's my only complaint, really. But other than that, you everyone can't wait to until tonight when I pick up my copy of this. I had it delivered this morning. Actually, I actually had it. The guy called me yesterday. He's like, "Do you want me to deliver it right now?" But I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I had a problem with my credit card. It wouldn't go through, and I spent an hour at the bank this morning sorting it. They have no idea why it happened, but now it's fine. So I couldn't pay the guy. I told him, "You mind coming tomorrow?" So he got me the game today instead. But I could have played it yesterday if I wanted, but. You know how it is. The GG. Hey, Dada, welcome. Isn't sponsor just super chat? No, I don't know. It's not the same thing, is it? No. Sponsor is sponsor. Super chat is just the donation. That's what it is. So you guys are gonna enjoy it, especially the anime. It looks so good. I've read the reviews and they're saying it's like one of the best anime-based game ever made. I like it. How are you, Dodo? The Adventures of Dodo and Cloggy. Alright, let's see what's going on here. There's Cell on this island.
I knew it! Cell! And his
I don't know why,
down.
but I love Cell's voice actor, the English voice actor. He sounds so, I don't know, upper class. I don't know why. I love the voice, and I like that they got the same guy to voice Cell. Listen.
18! Oh no, please! Spare her! I'll do anything that you say!
Excuse me. What's going on here?
What have you done to my wife?
Is he not gonna talk? I thought he talks. I don't know. I could be wrong. Look at the the things with the green screen. Oh well. I thought he spoke. I'm not so sure. This was in the demo.
Well, if it isn't Goku and his annoying
Noseless. I love that they addressed the fact that Krillin has no nose. I love that.
Sal. Holy crap! You are back! That's awesome. To tell the truth, I always did want another go at you.
Glad to hear it, because I'm back from the dead and ready to bury you in your wretched.
Ah, he's talking about Gohan.
Krillin, let me take care of Cell right now.
Should be a piece of cake for Goku. I don't know.
Okay. Thanks, Goku.
I love that this is an entire new story.
18! It's no good. She's out cold.
Oh my, do you know her? Is she okay? I'm so sorry. She sacrificed herself to save me.
Monster! Cell! You'll pay for this!
Look at this spectacle she's putting on. So be it. We'll just have to defeat them all right here, right now. Well, I gotta say, I am happy that I'm getting a chance to fight Goku so soon.
Sorry, stranger, but I'm gonna need you to look after 18 for me. Cause I'm gonna kick Cell's butt!
I wonder if Krillin can keep up with Cell.
Defeat me. As I recall, your power doesn't even compare to that of your better half.
That's true.
18.
Back down, Krillin! This isn't the kind of guy you want to tangle with!
What is a husband if he can't protect
Ooh,
his
that's a
wife?
nice quote, Krillin. Nice!
Ooh. So
I love Cell's voice actor. Cell's voice, not voice. Not the actor.
Damn right! I don't care how strong you are! Touch my wife, you're going down!
Alright, so it's level 7. What's Goku's level? 3, 2, 2. Alright, so all of them make 7, but... He sounds like every molester ever. I don't know, I've never met one, Bill, so I wouldn't know. I don't know. Yeah, oh, I'm supposed to do the thing again. Perform me there. Perform me there. Perform me there dash while jumping, are you? I did it. not working. Oh, I have to do it this. Alright, there we go.
I can't take things for granted with you.
Anything
around.
else? Yeah, perform that.
Let's keep going. Good training session. Let's keep going.
Do a high jump. Alright.
Nice.
Do a double jump.
This. That's how it's done.
Finish the enemy. Let's go!
Is that all? It's futile.
Why is he not swapping? Why is he not swapping the character?
I got this one.
He couldn't swap the character. Damn you!
Damn you!
You just know it. Alright, let's go. I couldn't swap the character, I don't know why. More cutscenes.
All these damn waves. They're responsible for hindering my true power. Cell, you're through! Soon, you idiots will learn the error of your ways. Oh, you will learn. Then, no amount of regret will save you.
What is he babbling about? Oh crap!
That is a good move as well. I love Solar Flare.
Damn it! The bug ran off.
Can't feel his power either. He's gone. He got away.
18, are you okay?
It's okay. Don't worry, she's just unconscious. But we'd better get her looked at just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, I guess so. Hey, thanks so much for standing up for 18.
No, it's me who should be thanking you. You're quite strong, the both of you, really. Especially considering you managed to withstand the effects of the waves.
Waves? Do you know what's going on?
In the box she looks very evil. I don't know if it's the same one. She looks very evil in the box. If I'm not mistaken, she had on her coat it says red ribbon. I'm not so sure.
Oh,
What happened to 18? Please, I need to know what happened. Clearly instructed her to stay indoors if she'd only listened.
very well.
This is a new character. This question mark character. I do follow the anime, but I'm very behind, so I wouldn't know who Hit is, and I haven't arrived to Black Goku in the anime, and even Trunks actually. I'm really behind on the anime. I'm sorry, but this is a completely new character, so it's not even in the anime, at least for now.
I was a researcher, a once proud employee of the
There we
Red
go.
Ribbon Army.
She just said it.
Unfortunately, after those waves disabled 18, the Army abducted her. As to why she was abducted, I honestly
Now
don't
it says
know.
Red Ribbon Army Researcher down there. I'm glad I removed my face from down there to up here now, so you can actually read.
Yeah, but what about the clones? And Cell coming back? Hey, is the Army?
Yes, the Army is behind everything. I was researching tech that could suppress a fighter's power, allowing us to plant the spirit of another inside. The technical term is called linking, and it was perfected not days ago. Shamefully, when I learned the Army planned to use it for total cosmic domination, I became afraid and deserted. While on the run, I met Android 18. We decided to flee together. Then we ran into Cell. 18 sacrificed herself to save me.
So I guess what you're trying to say is that the Red Ribbon Army is up to their dirty old ways again. And when you tried to quit, they turned on you, tried to hunt you down. Does that sound about right?
Yes. Please, you must stop the army.
Damn straight we will. Why, we'll tear them
to ribbons.
So, you know where their base is, right? We would be very grateful if you showed us the way.
You guys knocking. This guy keeps working on his house renovation at this hour, 7 p.m.
I'm sorry, but I wouldn't be able to retrace my steps. I was so caught up in getting away.
Great. Oh, by the way, we're gonna go see my friend Bulma. Want to tag along? You see, the plan is we're gonna have her take a look at 18.
All things considered, you'd probably be much safer with us.
That's true.
Actually, I really should be heading home. I'm worried about my family. Don't worry about me. Finding the base, that must be your top priority.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Ooh. The plot thickens. Alright, okay, we got more here going on. There's another boss. Where am I? Where do I start? I'm down here. Now, there's another Yamcha. There's a Ginyu. What level is he? Ooh, 333. 333. 333. 20 moves. Alright, let's start from here.
Get ready for battle!
Oh, there's Captain Ginyu as well here. Okay, interesting. I really don't care about the online fighting. I'm not really into that. Alright, more tutorial or we just get started? No.
Show me how strong you are.
Air recovery.
Not done yet.
Press. We're taking. Alright. Did I not do it? There we go.
I can't take things for granted with you around. Try this one next. Good job. Okay, on to the next one. Good job. That's all you got? Try this one next.
Ground. Right.
Not done yet.
Oh, I got killed. Okay. I'm trying to do the things, and man, I hate the freaking story.
Looks like I'm up. Let's go! Here goes! Got some more! Wonderful! Like that! Counter!
Yeah, gotta say, you're a natural.
Like that!
You've come this far, so I'm sure you'll be fine.
Whoops! After it! Yeah! After it!
Oh. I need to be careful because I'm trying to do the tutorial and it's gonna kill me. There we go. Okay. Hold on.
Like that?
What the heck? I did it. Okay, I died. Oh, I tried to do the thing.
No more playing around.
That's it.
Can't escape.
Okay, that's enough. Oh, I did it. Finish off the enemy. My pleasure.
Don't want to die, get out of the way. Take this. Here goes.
I love that move.
Let's go.
Come on, do it! No, that's not the move I'm looking for, but whatever. Nice! Hold on. Yeah, me too. I just get trashed when I play online. Using it in general. Yeah, yeah. I got kind of good when I played Star Wars Battlefront online. It was really... I started getting good, but the game gets really old real fast. It's just shooting, man. Then I started streaming it or posting videos online, and they started getting copyright claim because of the Star Wars music. Like, oh, bye, have a great time. Yeah, they do play obsessively hard to win. Yeah, I'm not like that. I just enjoy the story. Sit back, you know, put the controller down, enjoy a bit of the story, some cutscene. You fight, you feel good. You're not getting trashed. You know, you feel good about yourself progressing. You know, not go online and get trashed. Like lose 10 matches out of 10 matches. No, I want to enjoy playing the game. The animation in this game looks amazing. Yes. You're gonna love it. It's amazing. It does look like you're watching the anime, and I like it because there was a lot of effort put into this. They wrote a whole new story, designed new characters, and they got all the voice actors. You know, Whis, Beerus, you know, all of them. Let's go again. Some XP. Why does it say Goku Super Saiyan? And there's something that's going up. What is that? The yellow one. Oh, that's... I don't know what that is. What's the difference between the yellow bar and the blue bar? I don't get it. Well, I don't know. So, what's going on? There's Boo over there? A clone of Kid Buu, Destroyer of Earth, has appeared. He has taken over an enemy's space and is absorbing that enemy to power up. He is a powerful foe, to be sure, but you stand to gain a ton of XP if you defeat him. Take him on if you think you got what it takes. Alright, hold on. So, what level is he on? 13. 444, and there's 555. I'm gonna go after him. Oh, Trunks needs help. Oh, I'm gonna go get Trunks. What level is Trunks? 555. I don't want to rescue Boo. I don't want. Well, actually, Boo is better than Tien probably, or Krillin. So let's rescue Boo. We'll have Boo on our side. Let's go get Boo. Me turn you to candy. Boo is smart.
Is he asleep?
It's Boo. Your ears.
He was exactly the same during that written test we had. Totally asleep.
He's out like a light. Do you think it could have something to do with the waves?
It's Vloggy's number. Do I yell at my streaming? You know, I really hate people who stream. No, I don't hate people who stream. I hate people who yell on their streams. I don't know if I'm one of them. But if I do, it's not because I intend to yell. It's just that, you know, probably I can't figure out the proper volume on my mic. So he's out like a light. Do you think it could have something to do with the waves? Yeah, not obnoxiously.
Goku, over there! Another clone showed up!
Yeah, I hate people who yell all the time on their streams and on their videos. Ugh, cannot stand that. But apparently, some people... You're at work? You're late if you just got to work now. You're 18 minutes late. That means you're working a night shift. I'm working a night shift as well tonight, so... Let's go. More tutorial? No, you're just fighting! Okay. Okay. You know what? Let's do this! I love that when he goes over here. Over here! Uh-oh. He's down. Wow. Okay, no problem. We got this.
Oh boy. Looks like I'm
You got this. Wow, Krillin's a major as well. How is it my health is so low? Why are my characters with low health? I don't get this. This is Vegeta? I'm battling the Principal Saiyans!
Here goes! Big saving this! Like that! Here goes! Time to show you what I got! Eat ahead! Here goes! Struck this! Bim! Try this one! I'm not through with you yet! Here goes! Eat ahead! I'm not through with you yet! Here goes! I'm not through with you yet! Like that! Like that! Eat it! Like that! Here goes!
Come on!
Here goes! Struck this! Eat it! Here goes! Big saving this! Here goes! Got some more! Like that! Like that! Wonderful! Here goes! Rats! But Bim!
Okay, wow, I don't know how I did this because I started off with very low health. I don't know how this is working. But then, oh, that's my health! The yellow bar, I just realized, that's my health. Majin Buu is now playable. Okay, so I gain a little bit of health after I win. That's what's going on, I think. That's what's going on. Oh man, I need to be careful because my health goes down, doesn't go back up. Let's watch the cutscene. My name is Boo!
Huh?
He woke up. Boo is up. Let me look at chat real quick though. The animation is great. The animation is great. You was right. You mean great. I was right. Oh man, your English / grammar, your internet lingo. Oh man, it would be a fun challenge. The health, yeah, between fights. Yeah, don't fool your story. Help between fights, it seems. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I should buy stuff to heal my characters. I don't know. I'll check during the menus now, because I don't know what's going on.
Boo! Do you even recognize us? Oh, and by the way, you're lying in the dirt.
Whoa! Hey! If you say
I love his voice. Boo is adorable.
what's going on? Boo can't move.
Oh, Boo! I love Boo.
Yeah, about that. You've got some weird waves to think. Let me explain
Now we're
what's
gonna
going
explain
on.
everything to Boo. We're explaining everything to every single person that we rescue. Have you noticed? And then we're gonna explain everything. The story, obviously. There we go.
Did you get all that? I'll start again from the beginning, okay? You get weak. Strange waves fault. You beat up bad guys, okay? One more time. I've had it with you. How can I make it any clearer than that?
Hey, just relax, Bulma.
I love Boo.
Hey guys, let me try explaining it to Boo. You see, there's this soul inside of us who helps us fight the bad guys.
So Soul and Goku is good soul?
Yeah, good soul, good person, really good, in fact.
Oh yeah? Mr. Satan, good person too! Oh, why good person?
Mr. Satan.
You good person? You Boo's friend! You get candy! Oh, no half candy!
So cute!
Hey, that's okay. Bulma will make you the best pudding in the entire universe.
What?
Of course, why not? You cook for Beerus, why don't you cook for Boo? Because Boo has got the ability to turn everything and everyone into candy, so it's better keep him happy.
Really? Better than putting pudding
The pudding that he took from from Beerus.
Sure, way better than that stuff. But you gotta fight on our side first, okay? Boo, understand. First Boo fight, then Boo get pudding!
Are you really okay with this? Do you think you could even make pudding that good?
Aw, you're gonna owe me for this, Goku!
Man, the cutscenes are hilarious. Kinda cringy, but hey, that's Dragon Ball. And I saved Majin Buu is now able to edit. Okay, so hold on. So let me just edit my team. I'm sorry, Tien. I'm switching you with Boo. I want Boo with my team. On my team. Boo. So now my team is Krillin, Majin Buu, and Boo is strong. Boo is very strong. Boo strong. The richest woman in the world. Causing favors from people who got nothing. DB logic, come on. So, is there anything I can do? Maybe I can help heal them or something? How do I heal them? What's this? What's link event? No events, okay. Confirm, view stats. Up. Special move list. Partial drain. Recovers portion of damage done to the enemy as health. I don't get it, honestly, but whatever. So I'm supposed to be. There's no way to restore my health. I don't know. All right, whatever. Let's go get. What level is it? 555. There's a nap over there. What's over here? 4 and 4. 3, 3, 3. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get these guys first. They're all clones. Clone Krillin, Clone Nappa, Clone Tien. Now I got Boo in my team. Boo is strong. Boo strong! Cutscene? Cutscene? No. Tutorial? Let me just start. Let's go. Okay. My health is so low. I need to. I'm gonna switch characters.
Get up while you can! Like that! I'm not through with you yet! Like that! Here goes! Here goes! Good one! Try this! Been saving this! After image!
Let's switch.
Like that! Like that! Now! Like that! I'm not through with you yet!
Should be behind this guy as well.
Like that! Eat ahead! Like that! Like that! Like that! I'm not through with you yet! Here goes! Here goes! Got some more! Like that! Like that! Wonderful! Eat ahead! After image! Eat ahead! I'm not through with you yet! But here goes! Here goes! Got some more! Like that!
Alright. Switch.
Face me now!
I switch? Why can't I switch? What's going on? No.
That's all you got? I'm sure to miss your friend! Like that! Like that! Like that!
Alright, at least I took them down, but my health is low, especially Goku. Health regeneration level 1. What is that? What does it do? Alright. Vloggy, you make some weird faces when you mash buttons. Do I? Face cam off. Stop making fun of me. Sorry, I burped. Sorry. I hate people who burp in streams. Sorry. I'm being everything I hate today. The burping and the yelling, making the weird faces. But I do make faces, don't I? Looks constipated and someone is gonna make a gif out of it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're not gonna make a gif out of it. I wanna see it. Oh, have you seen what happened New Year's Eve when I did my chili stream? I was playing around with my green screen, had a few drinks, and I was playing around with the green screen. I was a floating head. I made myself a floating head, and obviously people have screenshotted and made me into an icon. I got emojis of my face like this. Oh, man. Alright, so yeah, there's in my Discord there's an emoji of my face. So never mind. So I was thinking I should edit the team, and I'm gonna put Goku over here. There we go. So now at least I won't be using Goku for now, because he needs 3 gen. And also skills partial drain. What's this? What's this? No. I found something. Defense up level 1. I saw something regen. Health regeneration level 1. Gradually health during that. Yes, please. Oh, that's good. That's good. Getting some food right up. I need to get some food too. You know what? I'll play for another half an hour and then I'll make something to eat because I have to work. Imagine Vloggy becoming a meme sensation on you. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Well, I did. Oops, sorry. I did memify myself in one of my videos this summer. You know, the shooting stars. That's funny. All right, let's go. So I'm gonna use Boo to defeat Cell, perhaps. Why is there a question mark? I don't get it. I don't know, but let's do this. And I'm gonna be using Boo for now. I don't want Goku to faint or die or whatever, you know? So I'm just gonna wait till he regens his health or whatever. Then we'll switch back to Goku again. So for now, can you guys hear the game audio okay? Like, oh, you can see the red here because of the light, the LED. Right. Ooh!
Let's give it a go!
Nice, Boo! Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, look how you're talking.
Man, I'm getting pumped!
Turntables with a sparking blast. R1 and R2.
Good training session! How about this?
No, that's not it. That's not it.
Fantastic!
That's not what I had in mind. Perform a guard cancel. When you guard. So, you guard like this. I'm gonna waste time. I don't care.
Like that! Like that! Eat ahead! Like that! After it! I'm not through with you yet! I'm not through with you yet! Here goes! Here goes!
I'm making the faces now.
Time to show you what I got!
I'm Captain Ginyu from the Ginyu Force. You know what? Maybe I should switch to the regular.
Boo hungry!
pulling it off. I'm trying to pull it off, but it's not working. There we go. I love this move. Alright, let's go. You don't stand a chance against Boo, Mr. Nappa. What do you do? You see what happens when I try to pull off the move? My buddy Boo fainted.
Like that? Face me now. I'm sure this will break.
Because I was trying to do the move. I don't care. The move is not working and it's costing me my health. Whew. Says he's gonna be Pokemon, keeps failing because Steam sucks. Something like that. I'm so mean. You are. So does he get some health back again? Defense level up? Yes, so he regenerates his health. Alright, so that's good to know. But he's still very weak, Boo, so I'm gonna have to swap now. But he's strong. I mean, weak as in health-wise, but he's very strong. I like that. Cutscene. Oh.
Piccolo revived. Find Android 60.
Blast it all! How is this possible? Why aren't their powers as diminished as mine are? This isn't fair.
Cell is angry, salty.
How can I, the perfect being, be defeated?
A sorry sight you were, sir.
That sounds like Frieza. That sounds like Frieza. I always wanted to see a Frieza and a Cell fusion. I don't know why, but I don't know. I want to see it. A fusion with the dance. That sounds like Frieza.
Frieza.
Hope you don't mind me observing this delightful spectacle from afar. Remember, we had a deal. A deal you chose to ignore just so you could run off on your own and fail miserably.
Cell and Boo? Interesting.
Tell me, how was your showdown with that filthy primate?
I don't have to tell you anything.
Emily! Welcome! Hello. Nice to see you.
So that's how it is. Well, perhaps we can strike a deal. My subordinates have acquired information that might be of some small interest to you.
You cut my hair, yeah, all of them.
I assume you mean that
all of them. It's actually shorter than I... Sorry, I'm not even listening to the dialogue. I'm gonna read it again, in Cell's voice now, to make up for it, alright? Yeah, it's actually shorter than I usually go for. But why not? You know, it's gonna grow back, it's okay. It's okay, I can afford to grow it back. Go Super Saiyan or something. No, but it will grow back. I don't know. Within like 2 weeks it will be the perfect length, I think. Alright, I'm gonna have to read Cell now in Cell's voice.
By subordinates, I assume you mean that over-choreographed circus troupe. What an embarrassment they are to your cause. I'm sure you're very proud.
He's talking about the Ginyu squad, I think. Ginyu.
But yes, they are called the Ginyu Force. Does this not entice you? My precious intel, that is. What say you to a deal? Tell me what you know, and I'd be happy to tell you what I know.
What are they talking about? I don't know. Welcome back, Aritalk. Welcome back.
Hello? Who's that inside my head
Happens to
right
me all
now?
the time, guys. Sometimes I'm just standing still and I go, who's in my head right now? Who's in my head right now? I should do that sometime. Who's in my head right now? Oh man. Let's go. Who's that voice? Piccolo. Copilo.
Come quick! They're too strong!
Who is? And where? I'm sensing a small energy distortion. That way!
Come quick, I need your help. Where? More cutscene. No. Resumed. No, it's a fight, I think. Oh wow, map. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to deal with Boo. Boo! I need to rescue. Who's over here? Piccolo's over here. Okay, where am I? Where am I standing right now? Where am I standing right now? I can't find my character. Where is he? Ah, because it's Boo now, that's why. Alright, so I don't need to fight Vegeta. Well, I could, but I can only rescue. Alright. I don't know why some of them have a question mark. That's what I got. Ah, battle tutorial. That's what the question mark stands for. Ah, I get it now. Wow, about time I got that. I'm at chapter what? Map 6. Alright, so, you know what? Let's start from here. I'm gonna fight all of them, but is this game running in 60 frames per second? I have no idea. Doesn't say. No, I don't think it does. It's very smooth movement, but oh, it's running on Unreal Engine. I just realized now. Boo! Oh look, my map is full again. My health is full again. That's what I meant. Boo power! Boo! I'm sorry, I don't want to yell the boo word now because. Pow 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 pow! Boo angry! Wow, he's very strong. He's very OP. You don't get away! I love it. I feel like he's very OP. I don't know if it's just my impression, but he's very OP. Look at that. Ooh. Destructive finish. No? Okay. Oh, come on. Everything is Bruce Lee inspired. Come on. Come on. Did you just compare Boo to Bruce Lee? Come on. He's made of bubblegum or something, I don't know. Come on, an explosion. An explosion or something, come on. There we go. Nice, Boo. Oh, I blew up the whole place. Whoa! Nice! So even though the character was right behind me, it still directed the blasts right. That was awesome. Man, I wonder if Wesker's gonna get this game. I want him to get this game. Destructive finish. I want him to get this game. I'm gonna kick his butt. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. All right. I'm wearing my Goku outfit. That's why I'm being cocky. All right. Ah, there's Drew. He's back. Work clerk. Hi, bye, lol. Oh man. Do you have access to like YouTube while at work? Level up. Look at all my characters. They're still full health, all of them. Nice. I like having Boo on my side. I don't think I might switch Krillin now with Piccolo. I don't know. We'll see. Now then, I'm gonna go with these guys over here. Space is too far away. What? Oh yeah, I need to go here first. And then here. I don't like this moving around on the map. I think it's useless. On my phone. Hiding vlog. My job. It's highly visible.
It's time to face
Let's see. Okay. Fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. I don't apply for a job if I can't watch YouTube at work, I'm sorry. If you're my bosses and you're watching, I'm sorry. Alright, here we go. Time to pow pow pow. Man, I love Boo. Man, Boo is such an awesome character. You don't stand a chance. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. There we go. Nice. Switching characters.
Let's do this! Here goes! Got some more! Wonderful! But Solar Flare, try this one!
I need to do the other one. This is how it works, yeah.
Here goes! I'm not through with you yet!
Why is he throwing rocks? Come on, Krillin, you got this. There we go, this is what I wanted to do. Rip. I hate Boo. You hate Boo? Come on. I love Boo.
Like that? Here goes! Strike him this! Try this one! I'm not through with you yet! Like, here goes! Here goes! After image! Got some more! Here goes! Here goes!
Nice, Krillin.
Got some more! Wonderful! Here goes! Strike him this! After image!
Alright.
I'm not through with you yet! Like that! After image!
Nice. You at work too as well, Baisha? Everybody's at work. Nice, everyone's health is still full. Nice. Good stuff. Because the thing is, when they retreat, now their health regenerates, so that's good. Alright then. Alrighty then. So Piccolo needs saving over there, and I'm level 4, 4, and 5. What about these guys? 6, 6, 6, and 5, 5, 5. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go here, handle the guy over here, 5, 5, 5, and then we'll handle the 6, 6, 6.
The outcome of this fight is anybody's guess!
Let's go.
Go,
Boo!
You're strong enough to handle
What
it.
angel performance special move? Yeah, the hit with a special move. How? Alright. You mean like this? Hold on. Like this. No, I don't think this is a special move though. This must be a special move. No? I don't think so. This is a special move. No? Come on, this has to be a special move. No. Don't look like it. I don't care about this special move though. I don't know what I just did, but okay.
One more time. You really blew me away there. You come this
Super attack, maybe
so
this one?
sure you'll be fun.
Okay. Okay, it's Captain Goku. Come on, do the explosion thing again. That's how it's done. It's not working. I don't care. I have to switch it up. Ooh. Nice! Perfect, he didn't even damage me. That is excellent. That's excellent. I am so good at this. Look at Boo, he's so cute. Level up, level up. Nice. Nice. My back. Ah, my back. I hate my chair. It squeaks. I need a better chair. Alrighty then. We're gonna tackle... These guys are level 5s as well. Actually, you know what? We can do that. Let's... I'm trying to think. Should I switch characters? There we go. Let's go back to Goku again. You're gonna get one of them bigger gaming chairs. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna get a gaming chair. I don't know. Oh, they're so overpriced. They're so overpriced. I feel like it's a problem. Because they're just chairs, come on. They're too overpriced. They don't cost 300 bucks. 300 euros here. Come on. I feel like if I buy one, I'll be part of the problem, honestly. I'll just buy a regular, comfy, executive, you know, desk chair. But no, that doesn't have to be a gaming chair because...
Ready?
Charge your key.
You got this. Come on. Good training session.
Attack from behind with advantage.
Time.
No, it's like this. Nice, I love this.
You really blew me away
No, I
there.
love this.
Last one.
Doing a super attack. Perform an ultimate Z change. Ultimate Z change while doing a super attack. Press L in the middle of a super attack. Perform a Z while pressing. Hold it while pressing. To change immediate attack. No, I'm not.
Let's do this. After image. Strict of death.
I need to check out your streams. You stream as well. I didn't know that, Baisha. Or maybe I did and I forgot. Maybe I knew that. I never checked out your streams, I think. Were you on Biohazard TV once? I forgot. I think you were. Yeah, I think you were. There was no Biohazard TV this month, eh? No marathon. Was there? Did I miss it? I was away. I was abroad. And I still need to edit the vlog. Who's down? He's down. Like 3 times, 4 times a week. That's more than I do. Alright, let's do this.
Try this one. Bam. Solar flare.
What do I perform though? Oh, there we go. This is what I want to do. Yes! That's what I wanted to do. It worked. What's going on? Yeah, keep one there like $100. I could get one for $100, but I'm gonna spend that, but 300 for sure. Called VloggyBuddy and forgets to vlog. No, I vlogged! I vlogged, and I have some amazing footage. I have some amazing footage I want to show you guys. It's really good. I just need to choose which one I'm going to show where I wasn't being lame. Yeah, so I need to find time to edit it. Maybe tomorrow? I don't know. I mean, I've got a new game now. I want to play this. Oh well. Alright, so all my team is level 5, so let's go handle these guys. They're all level 6s. VloggyBuddy, more like distracted by games, buddy. Maybe I should rename myself. No, I like the name I chose. I will never rebrand me. Yeah, come on, come get some. I got some codes when I bought the game. I got some codes when I bought the game for Super Saiyan God. I don't know if it's something I will unlock eventually, or I can just put them in and I get the character right away. I don't know. One is down. He trunks it up. Oh, I forgot there's a tutorial.
You really blew me away there. Not trying. You got the hang of this quick. I'm impressed. Last one. Better finish strong. Your turn. Over here. I gotta say, you're a...
Did somebody just come assist me? I don't know.
Like that. Eat ahead. Eat ahead. Eat ahead.
Getting the hang of the controls, it's amazing how the game plays.
Like that. Like that. Here goes.
Oh, I missed. Try again.
Here goes. Here goes. Here goes. Got some more. Like that. Like that. Here goes. Here goes. Got some more.
Perfect. Nice. Mission completed. Alright, so spending my power up. Look at that. So good. So good. One last boss, and I'm gonna call it because I need to make something to eat. I've been streaming for not even 3 hours. Such a lame stream, but I need to start getting ready for work. And I start getting ready by making something to eat first. So I need to start cooking it. This is gonna be the last boss, and we're gonna enjoy the last cutscene. And then I'm gonna go offline and see what these codes are all about. It says bonus DLC for PS4, early unlock to both Super Saiyan God Goku, Super Saiyan God Vegeta, and 2 exclusive lobby avatars. Anyway, I don't care about those, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's rescue Piccolo.
We're gonna rescue Piccolo.
Oh wow, they're all level 8s. That's okay. We can handle this. Let's watch a cutscene.
Look, it's Piccolo.
behind you!
Who are those? I mean, the one of them's Piccolo. Who's the other one? Oh, it's Vegeta, I think. No, it's Goku.
Man, it's like I can't go 2 minutes without bumping into one of these clones. Well, know what I gotta do.
I think I'm removing Krillin from the team now. And I'll have Piccolo.
Get ready for battle!
It's Goku versus Goku. Let's go.
Take that! How about this? That's all you got? That's all you got? Not bad.
Oh, I missed. Let's try again. No, I didn't miss. Come on. What is that?
You okay?
I think that's what I'm trying to know. Come on, I need to pull this off. I keep forgetting how this is done.
Here goes! Here goes! Here goes! Here goes! Got some more! I'm not through with you yet! But
There we go.
time to show you what I can. Here goes!
Ooh.
Like you! Here goes! Strip of this! That's all you got?
Forgot to turn Super Saiyan 3 again. Maybe I should just check it real quick. Special move list. Super Kamehameha, Dragon Flash Fist. I think it's this one. Version Ski Gauge. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Dragon Flash Fist. Hey, Toby's here! And Silver Drift, welcome. Welcome. Playing some Dragon Ball today for a change. I think it's Dragon Flash Fist. No, it's not. But it's a good move. Nice. Boom! I destroyed the mountain. It's not a mountain. It's just the hill. Piccolo is now playable. How is everyone doing? Ooh, nice. 666. Boom. Let's watch a cutscene.
Good. I can finally move again.
I'm glad you're okay. But I have to tell you that things have taken a turn for the worse.
If you're referring to the waves and that linking business, then I already know about all of that.
Huh? But I didn't even...
Look, I'd rather not listen to you explain. It was easier just to read your mind.
You read my mind?
You see, Piccolo used to be calming. Reading minds is just old hat to him.
Hey, just what else did you look at without my permission, huh? Don't tell me. You saw memories of me taking a bath, didn't you?
I might have seen something like that amongst the jumble. What of it?
What's that supposed to mean? Have you no respect for a girl's privacy?
Hold up. Why would a Namekian be interested in girls anyway, Bulma?
Hold on there. Aren't you a little too old to be calling yourself
Things are taking a turn for the worse. Oh, man.
At least now I know the state of affairs. Hold on. So you're linked with Goku? Well, you've really gotten yourself into a nasty situation. Still, I'm gonna need you now more than ever. I'll join the fight from here. Whatever I can do to help.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get Piccolo in the team now. And I'm gonna remove Krillin. I don't need Krillin in the team. Piccolo's definitely stronger than Krillin, so you save Piccolo. And now, who's next to be saved in this world? There's a boss here, but nobody to be saved. I'm gonna change. Bye, Krillin. He's level 7. That was a win. That's a good one. Alright, but I'm gonna have to end it here. I'm very sorry, guys. I'm very sorry, especially the guys that just joined. I'm very sorry. But I need to start getting ready for work, and I start by making something to eat. So thank you so much for hanging out, everyone that kept me company during the stream by chatting and stuff. Thank you so much, AriTalk, for the sponsor. You're the boss. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you tomorrow for sure. I'll be playing this again tomorrow, so take care, you guys. Ciao.